You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city again in California. If you want to learn more names of famous places in California that too many people get wrong, stay tuned to the channel and you can skip to the end of the video. We got tons more for you coming up. The Spanish pronunciation is San Bernardino. San Bernardino, but that's not how it's pronounced in California, at least by English speakers. San Bernardino. English pronunciation or American pronunciation, San Bernardino, California. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.